Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Okay. Hope you're having a great week so far. Okay. Today is Wednesday, June the 4th of 2025. We have made it to day number 56 of this My Legion secret system. And what we're doing, guys, if you guys have not been following these videos, which I would recommend that you follow this series, okay? If you're new to this video, what we're doing is we're promoting an offer from ClickBank, which is a network marketing platform. We're using a service called My Legion Secret. We're putting those together. We're somehow seeing if we can get results and earn a full-time income doing this method. All right, guys. So just wanted to show you guys, if you guys are new to this channel, new to this video again, please go back to day number 1 of this video series, okay, so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing, all right? So we are climbing along. We got 4 more days to end out the second set of 30 days of this My Legion Secret Challenge. And I just want to come in and show you guys how to do stuff, okay? If you're looking for extra income, if you're looking for a way to earn extra money, each and every month. This is going to be a good method for you guys to get started with. Okay, it's inexpensive to get started. And this is something that you can do for years and years. Okay. So let's go ahead and hop on over. We've made it to day number 56. So let's go ahead and hop on over and get right to this method. Okay. Now, this is My Legion Secret back office. Okay. If you don't know what My Legion Secret is, My Legion Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into this back office, you're going to see either 100 or 200 leads every single day. And what comes to the 100 or 200 leads, what differentiates those two is how many accounts that you have. Okay. So the more accounts that you have, the more that you're going to get 200 leads instead of the 100 leads a day. Okay. So say for instance, I have 8 accounts. Okay. Um, all 7 of those accounts are getting 200 leads every single month. Okay. Or every single day. I'm sorry, guys. Every single day I got 200 leads coming into my accounts. My last account only has 100. And then whenever I get another sign up or I sign up under myself under that last account, I'll get another 200 leads. Okay. So the cool thing about My Legion Secret is that you can stack your accounts, guys. I left a link below this video right here. Okay. This is a link that you can that you can go and get started. This is this tiny URL, MLGS Freedom. Go ahead and click on that link. It's going to take you here. You go ahead and sign up. One-time charge of $60, $30 a month to keep the service. In return, you're going to get thousands of people coming in every month. Okay. As affiliate marketers, what we need every single day is going to be traffic. Okay. So that's something that you're investing in yourself. Okay. You're not investing in me by signing up. Okay. Today, I don't care if you don't sign up or not. Okay. I'm still going to come in here and send out emails every single day. My traffic is growing every single day. Okay. So, you signing up today is just me trying to help you get started with this system. All right. So this is what your back office is going to look like. Okay, it's going to look exactly like this. The only thing that's going to be different is going to be your affiliate link and then the emails that you're sending out, obviously. Okay, but the back office is going to look the same. Now, I've been with My Legion Secret over a few years now. I can tell you I love the service. Promoted so many different offers to this traffic. So I can tell you it does work. It does convert. Okay. But the only thing is that this is cold traffic. All right. So cold traffic means that these people are not warmed up to who you are. Okay. These people, you have to send them out emails every single day for them to catch on and figure out who you are. And then once they trust you, okay, then you'll start earning, subscribers, and then you'll start earning commissions and things like that. Okay. So this is what your back office is going to look like. You're going to have these tabs here, but the most important tab is going to be this mailing system right here. This is where you're going to go and you're going to send out all your emails. Okay. So what you're going to want to do is click on select all. And what that does, it transfer all the emails that you have accumulated in the system and it transfer them over here. So that way, when you send out one email, it goes to a blast of people. It goes to 54,000 people right here. Okay. Now I've already sent out my emails for today, but the email that I sent, it went to this many people, okay? 54,200 people, okay? So the offer that we are promoting on ClickBank is called Social Sales Rep, which is live chat jobs. And they have free email swipes that you can use. It doesn't cost you anything to use these email swipes. So let's go ahead and here. I'm going to show you how easy it is to send out an email in the system. Okay. So let's go ahead and go down here. I believe we sent out email number 10 yesterday. Go back and watch yesterday's video. Okay. And then let's go ahead and start here and let's go ahead and grab the subject line. Okay. Control C. Come back over here to the mailing system. Now, if you guys sent out an email before in like Google or Yahoo, whatever email service that you use, if you know how to send out an email, if you sent out an email, you can do this method. Super easy to do, guys. All right. I've already sent out my emails today, guys. So I've already gotten ahead of you guys. Okay. So let's go ahead and go down here to the body. We want to grab this body of text here. Okay, and we want to control C. Under, if you guys been watching these videos, under every email, we're going to have an affiliate link right here. Okay, this link is what we're going to use for this email. So let's go ahead and go back up here, and then let's go ahead and control A and control V. Boom, super easy. Let's take our signature and let's put in either your name or management, whichever one. Okay, I'm going to come up here to where it says hi name, and we want to put in your name. I mean, we want to put in our prospect's name. Okay. So we want to grab this link right here, Control C, come back. Oh, let's go grab it again. Control C, come back here and go down and then Control V. Take this and then boom, let's grab it, Control V. So what that does, it addresses our prospect by their first name. So if their name is Hi Jermaine, Hi John, right? It's gonna address them by their first name. Okay. Get ready to take your customer to the service to the next level, right? Okay, that's what it's going to sound like. And then at the end, there's going to be a call of action that's going to say, looking out for you, Jermaine. And then right here is our call of action link. Okay, this is what we want to do. We want to turn this into a clickable link. Okay, click on the link tab. Boom. And then come back here to the mailing system. Let's go ahead and grab this link, Control C. And now right here is where you're going to want to take this out and you want to put in your ClickBank affiliate ID. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Control V. Okay, and then we want to take this out and we want to put in your ClickBank affiliate ID. Okay, click on OK. Oh, excuse me. Now, what that does is turns this into a clickable link. Okay, so we want to Control A and we want to make this a little bigger here, either 16 or 18. So what that does is makes this a lot bigger and it addresses our prospect by their first name. It's easy to read. And then we have our call to action button right here. So when this email goes out, what's going to happen is that your prospect is going to click on this link because it's a clickable link, right? So it's going to take them to your affiliate page, and your affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for you. You don't have to do anything. All our job is to get our prospect to our affiliate page. Okay. So that way we can earn commissions. Okay. That's why I'd say that affiliate marketing is the best business to be a part of because all we are is just the middleman to what somebody needs and what somebody wants, right? So what we do is we find we're a solution to a problem. Okay, so if someone is looking for a way to earn money online, what we do is we want to figure out what they need. Okay, so this traffic here is business opportunity traffic. Okay. These people are looking for ways to earn money online. Now, us as the middleman, we are the affiliate marketers. What we do is we go out and we find offers that are related to making money online, right? So we go be a part of networks such as ClickBank, you know, Warrior Plus, Max Bounty, whatever networks that are related to what we are trying to send to our customer. So, say for instance, we are on ClickBank, right? Now, ClickBank has affiliate offers that are related to making money. So, what we do is we go we go sign up for ClickBank and we go grab an offer from ClickBank and we send that offer into a email form into this traffic for people who are looking for ways to earn money, right? And we send that to them, okay? And we become the solution to somebody's problem, all right? And somebody's problem with this traffic, they're looking for ways to make money, right? They're hungry, okay? They need to pay bills, right? They need to put food on the table. Okay, they need to pay a light bill, electric bill, whatever it is, the extra money that they're looking for. This is why they're coming to look at your email and they're coming to click on your link, all right? So we just sent out a link, guys, to help someone who is out here looking for ways to earn money online. All right. So that's how easy it is to send out an email on the My Legion Secret, guys. Go ahead and get started. Okay. There's no reason to procrastinate or, think about it. Just get started. Okay. I would recommend at least getting 3 to 5 accounts. Okay. So that way you guys can hit the ground running. And then you can start earning that income you need. Now, some people it may take you a week, okay, to start seeing results, or it may take you a month. Okay, it may take you 3 months for it to start climbing for you you start seeing results, or it could take you 6 months. Okay, it just depends on your work ethic. So I cannot guarantee that you're going to make anything because I don't know you. Okay, I don't know if you're going to go out here. I don't know if you're like me. Okay, I don't know if you're going to come in here, send emails every single day. Doesn't matter how long it takes to do it. You want to do it until you start seeing results. Okay. That was me. Okay, guys. I'm that person that it took forever to get started, but I knew it was going to happen. Okay. I knew that this thing was going to happen. That's why I'm coming back 3 years later and showing you guys how to do this. I created a brand new I mean, not Facebook. I created a brand new ClickBank account just to show you guys that you can get results. Okay. I got a few sales here. Okay. I'm just showing you guys the results on what's possible for you and not what's possible for me. So I've done it, but what's possible for you. Okay. That's why I'm taking time out of my day each and every day to come in and show you guys results because I want to help someone out there that needs the help. Okay. If you're somebody that got money and you're blessed with, all the finer things in life, that's great. Okay. This video is for people who need the extra income. Okay. So let's go ahead and check the results from last night's email. Okay. So today is June the 4th. Okay. And we've sent out an email, all right, last night. And we got over 750 hops. And then we got 425 unique hops. Okay. These are brand new people that came to our website. And these people decided to buy for whatever reason, or they didn't buy for whatever reason. Okay. We got 5 order form impressions and 5 unique order form impressions. These are people that have whipped out their wallet. It's like, man, I want to buy it. Man, I want to go ahead and get started working, but I just don't know. Right. And no one signed up no one signed up from these unique order form impressions. Okay. Which is no biggie. Okay. Because we did get a sale um, yesterday or the night before, one of them. Okay. Can't, I'm not, I got other businesses and stuff that I'm doing, guys, but we did get a sale the other day or something like that. I don't know. I just got back from out of town from last night, but I think we got a sale, one of those days that I was out of town in Nebraska. Okay. Now this order form impressions didn't equal to a sale. And then also we didn't get a rebill from any trials that we got or either any emails from that we sent last month. Okay. Now, no biggie because I know we got a sale a couple days ago, and that email that trial is going to get billed for the program any day now. Okay, which could possibly be tomorrow or Saturday, whichever one. Okay, but the whole idea here, guys, we need initial sales every single day. Okay, so we're going to keep sending out emails. I mean, today, I believe, like I said, it's only day number 56. Okay. Usually when this thing starts happening where you start getting sales every single day, it's going to be that month 3, month 4, month 5, between 3 and 5 is where you're going to start seeing that consistency coming in. And we're approaching that time frame. Okay, guys. So I just wanted to come in and show you the results from the email that we sent last night. We did get traffic. Okay, we got unique hops. We got brand new people coming, right? And we got people coming to the checkout page. So we have people interested. Okay, but we just didn't get no sales today. Now, the cool thing about this, what I've noticed in the past, is that when I have this right here, 5 unique order form impressions, these are new people that came to the checkout page to where they wanted to buy. Some of these people think about it, right? And then they come back the next day and purchase. That's what I've seen. Okay. So I wouldn't be surprised when we come back in tomorrow that we got an initial sale and then also we got a rebill. I know we got some sales from last month because the offer that we're promoting is a rebill of $20 every single month. So we're going to be stacking those $20 payments on top of each other. All right. But I just wanted to show you, come in today and just show you guys how to do stuff, right? And I showed you how to send out an email in the mailing system, and then I also showed you guys the results. I just showed you the guys the results from the email that we just sent out. Okay. From last night. Okay. So I'm going to meet you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.